Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and here's Smudge right here. I am back with another video from WISKF Bags. They have really taken to my channel, and I appreciate that very much. They keep sending me lovely, lovely bags, and I know I promised in the last video that soon I would do a giveaway for you with this bag, and I'll tell you more about that in a minute. We are definitely going to do a giveaway in this video, if Smudge can move on. I have a couple of new bags to show you, and I'll tell you about them. The first bag I want to show you is their traditional bag. This is how the company started with these types of bags. They call them linen bags, linen totes. And you know, of course, I have to get the cats. They have I was going to say a million, but not quite a million. They have many, many bags of cats, of dogs, of any kind of pet you like, lots of cartoon characters, gardens and scripture, and I mean just so many things. And I've shown you these bags before. They're very, very nice. They are $5.99, and they are about, if I remember correctly, it's about 15 inches this way, about 15 inches this way, maybe 15.5 inches. And the drop from the handle is about 12 inches. And they're very nicely sewn, as you can see. And it's a really sturdy material that you can wash, really sturdy. And it's great these days, where a lot of places now have gotten to where you can't get bags at the stores, or you have to pay for them because they're getting rid of plastic and things like that. So how cute is that bag? And usually the print is the same on the other side. So that bag is $5.99, and they just have a plethora, just so many to choose from. You can find so many. Those are wonderful to put in your trunk, and if you go to the grocery store, whatever you do. Then they have these bags. They came out with these bags next. I believe this was the next thing. This bag has a picture on one side. There's a beautiful Paris bag with the flowers. Here comes Smudge's back. And on the back of this one, it's gray, and the handles have a nice drop to them also. Again, this kind of bag you can put on your shoulder just fine. And this bag in particular, this style bag, has a zipper, which is really nice. So very nice zipper as well. And you can, put things in there that are more private. It has a nice lining to it. So if you were to put some groceries in here and anything spilled or something refrigerated, sweated or something, you'd be able to clean it out easily. And in this zipper bag, these are just $8.99. There is a zippered pocket in here as well. Whoops, it was already, there we go. So you can put your ID and your credit card, some cash in there, and then zip that up, and then put other things in here and zip this up. Take this on the bus with you, or however you travel, and they're just super cute. This is cloth. This is a different cloth. This is more like, this is like a shiny to it, cotton maybe. And this is like a linen, but it's not. The other is more of a I don't want to say burlap, but the other one is a different type of fabric. This one is a little bit lighter of a fabric, but still strong. And this one, the way they make this $8.99 one, has a flat bottom to it. And I just thought that was a really pretty picture on there. They have many, like I said, many, many pictures. And that one was $8.99. And Smudge is sitting on the next one. Okay, Smudge. I'm sorry, y'all. He just keeps coming through. This I thought was just the cutest thing. I have shown you a cosmetic bag before. This one is just $4.99, y'all. Isn't that cute? This, the cosmetic bag, it has a little tab here where you can pull a nice zipper, and it's padded. It's just lightly padded. And the couple that I've had have a nice lining to the inside. I think they all probably do. And it is the interior is more of a nylon, so you can wash that out. If you spill your powder in here or something, you can wash it and clean it well, which is nice. And I just thought that was super cute with the lips on it. $4.99, y'all. And that cushion is nice because it'll keep, if you throw it in your bag, a lot of people do that. I do that. I throw sometimes my phone in my bag, and it has hit my keys and breaks the screen. I've done that before, but thank goodness I put one of those, you know, screensavers on it. But so this is padded, so when you throw this in your bag, it's not going to break all your cosmetics inside. So, and then I do have this. This is what is from my last haul from WISKF. This is priced at $12.99, and this is what the giveaway bag is, and I'll show you that in a minute. I got this one. Also, this one is $18.99. It's very similar to the pink one I just showed you. This one comes with a dust cover, which is very nice. First of all, everything is wrapped very nicely in plastic bags. I took all that out so we wouldn't have all that noise. But look how pretty this is. This comes in a few different patterns. It didn't come in solid colors. This one comes in the solid colors. They're very similar the way that they look. But this one's a little bit fancier. This is $18.99. And you know, it has a nice flat bottom. The zipper, the handle stays flat, and the zipper's on a diagonal. So here is the tab. It's a nice tab, and it unzips like this, and it does have this in it to keep it popped out. This one has a more of like a leather lining to it, you know, PU lining. So when you open this bag to use it for your cosmetics, it lays flat. See how that is? And then here is the interior. It's big, and there are some pockets on the side here, and if you can see, it's a leather style. Pockets on the side, a zippered pocket back here that has a lining to it, and then this center zippered bag moves around, so if you have something big and it pushes to one side or the other, it's not going, you know, it'll still fit. And this one, when you open this one up, let me see if I can get it open. It has a lining as well. So again, if you have any mishaps, it'll stay in good. You can just clean it out easily. And it zips up nicely. And then the whole thing zips up nicely this way. Whoops, I have the wrong side. Here's the zipper. And this came in 3, I think, different patterns. They all were pretty. It was hard to pick. But this one zips like that. And I love how when you open it, then it's flat. You can work really well with it. I just thought that was really pretty. And this is the one that is in the giveaway. This one, all right, so this is $18.99, had the leatherette type of interior. This one I did show you on the last haul, but I'll show it to you again. This has a round pull tab. And again, same style of bag. When you open it, it sits flat. And this comes in this pink. There was a light blue. I think it came in white also, and black. So you can get this for the man in your life also, because he could carry his grooming things on when he travels for business or for vacation, whatever. But when you open it up, it lays flat. It's just really nice. And this one doesn't have the leatherette inside. This has a nylon inside. So you've got a couple of pockets here, and you have a pocket on this side where maybe brushes or something could fit in. And again, it's all lined with this nice nylon that you can wipe out. And then the center, the center, it was already almost open. The center has a pocket for something, you know, that maybe a couple pieces of jewelry or something that you don't want to get bothered by your makeup. But when it's open fully, it sits flat, sits flat. So anyway, y'all, WISKF, they're a wonderful company. These items are very nicely priced, and they give me a code for you to use. It's Mary05off. So you will get 5% off what you buy. And they're lovely people. They keep telling me they like me, and I like them. They're easy to work with. But they did say something to me in the last email that had a giveaway last time where you could win something, or not win something. You get a gift if you made a purchase. Well, when you go to check out, they said that there's a space where you can type in information. So I'm not sure how long that space is going to be there. If it's always there, I don't know. But type in Mary Catherine Loves Cats, because you may get something free. I'm not sure when that offer was going to end. I think it was going to end around Easter, But so if it's still going on, and like I said, I don't know when you check out if there's always a box for you to put, ask a question, put some information in. Put in Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and you may get something for free, a nice free gift. Take advantage of that, okay? And I would just keep doing that. If there's a space to type it in, let them know you came from me, because they like me and they may give you something. So let me tell you what's in the giveaway, okay? That is my beautiful WISKF bags. We've got the Paris bag with a zipper on the top. Love it. We have, they're nice, simple, plain bags. These are perfect for just throwing in your car. This will fit in your purse as well. You can wind it up, tie it up, do this, throw it in your bag, and then you have it for when you need it. It also makes an excellent gift bag for your grandkids, for your family members. You know, instead of spending money on paper stuff that we just throw in the trash, they could keep this and use it for whatever they need it for. And then the cosmetic bags, $4.99 for a padded cosmetic bag. And they, again, this is just to show you that they have so many different prints out there. And then these are just a nicer quality type of cosmetic bag. Cosmetic bags can be very expensive. Go ahead and treat yourself with something pretty like this. I love that bag. So this is the giveaway. So if you want to win, let me show you, I'll show you the giveaway, and then if you want to win the giveaway, go ahead and I never know what to say. Let me show you. Maybe I'll come up with something. I have this Rachel Couture Eye Kit Trio. Okay. This is a black pencil, a mascara, and an eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner. Okay. That set, you'll get that. And I have this beautiful palette. This is a beautiful palette. It's by Mirabella. It's called Undressed. And I didn't think to open it first. Sorry about that. Might take a moment or two. This palette is stunning. It reminds me of the 50s. It says I-E-Y-E, I love you, Mirabella. And look at how pretty this palette is, y'all. And when you open it, it has a gorgeous mirror on one side, and then here are the beautiful colors, neutral, nice neutrals. What a stunning palette. Just to look at it, it's gorgeous. The mirror is beautiful. Okay, Smudge, you can't get in that bag. And okay, you're gonna have to set back now. And I also have these beautiful IBY brushes. These are face brushes. I haven't taken them out of the bags. And it's the brand IBY. It's a nice brand. Smudge is going through all the plastic that I have open from the bags. Oh my goodness, y'all. And this is Josephine. This is Tiffany lip gloss, and it's absolutely stunning. Look at that packaging. And then it's a nice dark red. You can see it from the glare. It's a beautiful, beautiful lippy. He's gonna, oh yeah. If you are allergic to cats, you probably shouldn't try to get any of my giveaways because he's getting all over them. Now, I have a couple other little things here. I'm not sure, there may be, if you find something else in your giveaway, nothing wrong with that. I have a mask, a Esfolio Pearl Essence mask. Love this mask. I have these really nice, this is by Pure Derm, Ultra Nourishing Watermelon Pads. These are very nice. You can use them over your eyes. You can use them just, one on your forehead. You can put a couple on your cheeks, whatever you want to do with it. These are very nice, nourishing. There's, I think there's 10 in this 10 sheets in this package. And then there is our Mango Vitamin C Hydrating Eye Mask. And the beautiful bag. Okay, that is the giveaway for this. And I will put the dates in the description. I'll put the information from WISKF. Wonderful company to work with, easy to work with, and they're just really nice people. And I've been showing their bags for a long time now, and I've noticed a lot of other channels have been showing them. They just are nice people to work with. And I believe that you'll like their products. They're very reasonable. And go ahead and use my code. You'll save some money. And go ahead and put Mary Catherine Loves Cats in that if there's a space for you to type something in and see, maybe you'll get something. And If you want to win this giveaway, I don't know. I don't know what to say. I'll have to think about it. How about you say, oh, something simple? I don't know. Pearl. Pearl. This isn't secret, but I hope you don't just say Pearl. Don't do that, please. Say, hey, Mary, these bags are beautiful from WISKF. I would love to try that pearl mask or whatever, something like that, if you'd like to win this giveaway. And I'll run this giveaway for about 2 weeks. So whenever this posts, I'll run it for 2 weeks. And go check out WISKF, because like I said, they're really good people, good prices, beautiful bags. Most every time when I go on their website, they have new bags. They have, you know, that crossbody, it looks like the fanny packs that people are wearing now. I've seen that. Where I work on Saturday at the veterinary clinic, several people came in yesterday, or this is Sunday that I'm filming. I'm not sure what day it's going on. I'm sorry, y'all. But they had the fanny pack over them this way, and then their purse was right here, which was great because then it's right on you. You're not going to lose it. You're not going to have anything. You know, no one's going to pull it off of you because it's around your shoulder and up under here. So, you know, it's a good way to be hands-free. And they were carrying their dogs or their cats or something. So I thought that was really cool. I showed you a bag like that on my last video, and I really have been liking that bag also. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna finish this up. Thanks for stopping by. 2 weeks out. Check the description for the end date. And thanks for stopping by and seeing these beautiful WISKF bags. And thank you to WISKF for trusting me with their product. And I really appreciate doing business with y'all. Take care, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.